What's up guys, welcome to the internet Moola. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to secure your MacBook Pro device on the network. So let's go ahead and start. The first thing, click on the system settings and then choose Wi-Fi. Once you do that, choose your Wi-Fi, the one you're connected to, and then click on this icon right here. After that, click network settings and then you're gonna see private Wi-Fi address. If it's fixed, change this to rotating, which means it's gonna rotate your Wi-Fi address to a different one. So this change will make will make your device more secure. By doing this, all you need to do after click OK. You can turn off Wi-Fi and turn on again, and then it's gonna connect automatically. So maybe once you restart your MacBook Pro, it's gonna change the MAC address that you see there. So that's it for this video. If you like it, share with your friends, subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more tutorials, and thank you guys for watching this video.